All right, ladies and gents, on this one I don't have the hard copy of this. I don't have the hard copy, so I hope you are going to see what I'm trying to do here. So this is question 3. This is question 3 of orthographic projection. Figure 1 shows an outside front view and an outside left view of a pulley. That pulley is being assembled for us, which means the sectional, when you're sectioning there, your hatches, obviously they will have to be what? Different, isn't it? So they are saying it is with an M16 bolt and nut assemble not shown. So the M16 is not shown, so they are not saying we have to show it. So 3.1, draw a scale 1:1, draw to a scale 1:1 the following views in first angle orthographic projection. So we are expected to draw in first angle orthographic projection a full section, a sectional front view on a cutting plane AA showing they're saying show it, okay, showing this M16 bolt and nut being assembled. So you'll be given 7 marks. So we are expected to draw an outside left view on a what, showing the M16 bolt and nut assembled. Show hidden details in this view. So if you come across whereby you have to show the hidden details, you have to expose them. So 3.2, insert the following title and the scale need central beneath the layout. So just to show that one, which they are saying pulley assemble scale 1:1, and you have to print like the way you see it. You'll be given 2 marks. Draw the symbol of first angle orthographic projection. You'll be given 1 mark. So let's start. So let's go straight to the views. The set is figure 1. So open the figure 1. Okay, the question, they said draw an outside left view with hidden details, right? And draw the full sectional front view. Even though they didn't mention the word full, but by tracing the cutting plane, the way is being put there, your AA, it actually tells you that it is a full sectional. You understand? Remember, we've got a half sectional with the left, half sectional with the right, half sectional with the bottom half in section, and with the upper in section. You understand? So in this case, it's full. So they said to just draw the sectional drawing by tracing the cutting plane AA. You understand? So then they also said to draw the outside left view. So you are going to be obliged to start with the what, with this left view, the way as you can see it, because you see that we've got too much of cycles, the diameters. So how do we draw a diameter? We don't draw a diameter as a straight line, isn't it? Aside that I can say that is 70 millimeter, and then you come and say from here till there is 70 millimeter. No, you draw it as such. So I'm trying to say, start with what, with the left view, and you are not being asked to draw the top view. You understand? Using scale 1:1. So we are going to start with a what, with a diameter 70. The bigger one is diameter 70, isn't it? 70 divided by 2 is 35. You must have your calculator by your side. You understand? Where is your 35? There, the 35. This is it. Then somewhere here, just a little neatly off your drawing sheet, so that you have enough space of your front. You understand? So I'll draw this cycle dark. The question said to draw an outside left view. You understand? So which means you are just drawing that left view the way you see it. Then like this we go. Okay, then after that one, what do I have? I am going to have diameter 58. You understand? So after 58 is going to be followed by 30. After 30 is going to be followed by diameter 30. 1 2 3. The smaller one is M16. Yeah, diameter 16. Right, so 58 divided by 2 is 29, right? So you open your drawing canvas to 29. There is 35, 30, 29 is this one. Then you come back here, you draw it solid. As you can see, it's solid there. Okay, then after that one, we've got diameter 30. Diameter 30, you divide 30 into 2, you get your 15, or you use your stencil ruler straight away. This is diameter 30, so that you are accurate and faster. Then you've got M16, which is diameter 16. You're supposed to have it here as well. This is it. 17, 18, this is 16, eh? So you just correspond it with these holes. You know how to use it, most guys. Thank God I've gotten the hard copy of the question. I've gotten the hard copy of the question. That's going to make my work faster and easier, you understand? So this paper was written on the 6th December 2023, you understand? So let us continue then, you understand? So now I am going to consider what this breadth, because this is the left view. It's we do not have a length on our breadth, on our left view. We've got a breadth or width. So from here to here is width what, 8, eh? So this 8 actually is going to behave like this. So from this center coming this side, I can measure the half of 80. From here till there, the half of 80, you understand? So come and do it, which is 40, half of 80. Why am I doing that? Because I want to come and attack what, and our left, I mean our front view, which is this one, you understand? Then from there, I'm going to have a faint line like this, and another one like this. Then from here, going this side towards your front view, I can now measure the 20 millimeter, separate our view 20 millimeter. You can have another one here. Then now this diameter 70 is gonna correspond with what? With this one. With this one. A1. So which means if I construct this, it's gonna give me this line already, you understand? So do it. Then there you go, faint. This one as well. This one as well. This one as well. All the circumferences. The center is already there. This one goes. There you go. Like this you go. which means right from this point I can because from here till here is 20. Right from this point I can record a dimension of what? Of 60. From here till here 60. Whether there or here, still on the same thing. 60 millimeter. There is my 60 ending. Where your 60 ends, put a vertical constructional line. Down you go. Is which one? Is this 60 from here till here? You understand? Okay. Then where your 60 ends, there is a dimension of what? Because we don't know this dimension that can start from here till here. You understand? From here till here, we don't know. You see, I just constructed this one. So from here till here, we don't know. But we know what from here till here is what? Is 60. You understand? Which is this one that we've just did. And where your 60 end to go back is what? Is 20 millimeter. So my 60 is from here till here. Where ends to go back, I must record 20 millimeter. There is my 20, and then have a constructional line going up faint like this. Then from where your 20 ends begins what? Begins my 12 millimeter. From here till here 12 millimeter. So you're gonna record that one. So there is your 10, 1, 2, the 12 is supposed to be there. So then I go up faint as well. So after I've gotten that one, so we are told from there till there. You remember from here till here seems to be missing, isn't it? But now we can have this 25, since from here we've gotten this one, isn't it? So from here till there 25 millimeter. Can do it wherever, as long as it's along this constructed horizontal center constructional line. So there is my 25 millimeter ending, you understand? So after I've gotten it, have this constructional line. So where your 25 millimeter ends, there is a dimension of what? Of 40. Because from here till here, I do not even have to calculate it and be like, hey, 40 minus 30. No, you let it come out for itself. When I do concentrate on what on the dimension that you're given. So from here till here is what is a 40 millimeter. Then I'll get what? A center, which is this one, 40 millimeter. Remember, this is your 25 ending, isn't it? So where your 25 ending, put 40 and mark at 0 and mark at 20, which is your center. So at your center, put then center line, then here constructional line. So now from here till here, you can have that solid line, which is which one? You see this one. Okay, not yet, because there is of a length of, because this is front view. Now any line horizontal, the name of it is length, you understand? Any line vertical, the name of it is height. Whereas when it comes to your left view, is different. We've got a height. We talk about height and breadth, you understand, in our top view. I mean in our left view, not the top view. I'm busy looking at that. No, okay, let's concentrate. What is happening there? There you go. All right, so now so this one is this one. So we are going to this center. It is divided, this 14 millimeter, this 30 millimeter, you understand? So I am going to on this upper one now, on this upper one, because it's for this one from here till here, isn't it? So I am going to what? Put it at 15, because they said it's 30 most. At 15, then I mark at 30 and mark at 0, and I can even have it solid once. Have it solid. So is what is the outer one. So after it's solid, have it down, constructed faint down, and this one. So which means again from here till there, without fear or favor, solid. You understand? So I cannot draw it from here till it's solid, from here till it's solid yet. You understand? Because we are this is a sectional drawing. This line from here till here has to disappear. You understand? So then what is the next? What is the next? This one. So let's solve this one. So from here till here is which one is the second one, because is this the first, this second one. Understand? So the second one, which is this one, and there. Understand? So which means now, since from here till here it will disappear, so from here till here we can have it constructed solid, which is this one, from here till there. So from here till here it will disappear, from there till there have it solid, which is from here till right there. That fear or favor, we know what is going to be solid there. So what you did this side, you can do it even at this side. So from here, there you go. So I can also do it up here. Okay, so now if you are here, what is the expected? You see that the thickness, it already came out for itself. Okay, so now what is the expected from you to do? So you are going to have this solid line from here to right there. So you 25. Remember that this was your 25, isn't it? This one from here till there, you 25. So from here till right there is solid. It's solid. Then which is which one is this one, from here till there, together with that dimension that we were like, it's a not a given. You understand? So now we can go down till down way till here, because from here till here, from here till here it will disappear. Remember, if we cut it, you understand, at AA, because this hex will start to cut from here till here, then from here till here it's a hole, from here till down there. Understand? But then we are told there by the correction that there is a shaft. You understand? There is a board. You understand? So that board, we only section the board if it's cutted across its length. If it's cutted along its length, we do not section it. But we are going, I'll show you how do you indicate that it was cutted. You understand? So now from here going down till somewhere there, I can have this line dark, but till dark way. Let me just end it like this at the moment. So till dark way. And before we even do that, let's have this one and complete this part so that we see what is happening. You understand? So from here till here, which means from there till there dark, from here till here, which means from here till there dark. Is it gonna be dark throughout? No, because they spoke about what, an outside left view, showing an M, showing the M16, a bot and not assembled, show the hidden details in this view. Oh, okay, this is the left view, so we have to show it here. So they said a sectional front view cutting AA showing the, you understand, so we have to show it both M16 both and not assembled. So that is why from here, where are we, from here till there it will disappear. You understand? So which means you are going to draw it solid from here till here, from here till there. So I come back, have this one dark here, this one dark here, understand? Okay. For now, because let me leave it like this for now, you understand, because there will be a nut here and a bolt here. Okay, now let us see what is it next. Come and have this one from here till there dark, which is this one from here till there dark. Solid or dark. Then from there you're gonna go this one from here till here, it will disappear, you understand, from here, because this was an outside view, isn't it? So now we cut to expose the inside view, so there is no need for you to what, to draw it. It's going to disappear. So I'll have this line solid as well. So now from here, this one from here till here, it will disappear. We don't have to draw it. From here till here, it will disappear. We don't have to draw it. From here till here, it will disappear. We did not draw it. So what seems to be hidden is now going to be exposed, because these are hidden details, isn't it? Hidden details, so they will be now exposed. So which means from here till there, without fear or favor, we are going to draw it a solid. Come and construct it solid. There it goes, even here, from here till there, solid, you understand? So now let's see what is happening here. What is happening here, we are given what a dimension of 14 millimeter. So you are going to say 7 millimeter. The side 7 millimeter. This 5, 6, 7. Say 14 divided by 4. There is 15. 14 is there, and 0 there. I1. So after you've gotten that one, construct them down and down. So I'm going to have a solid line like this, and here they will become dark. Now they'll be visible, you see. So they are in the same line, isn't it, with this one? So they'll be like this. There you go. There you go. Like this you go, like this you go, like this you go, like this you go. Okay, so after you've done that, so you are going to go down now with what? So from here till there is going to be 10 millimeter, where your 10 millimeter ends is going to be 33 millimeter. 33 millimeter, 34, there is 33 millimeter, you understand? So from there you can have it as constructional line like that. Which one is this one? From here till there, you understand? So where your 33 millimeter, there is a dimension of 6 millimeter and 6 millimeter going down, you understand? So I can measure them vertically. 6 millimeter, there is 5, 6 is here, and where is 10, 11, 12 is here. So have what? Constructional line. So now without fear or favor, I can have this one solid there by our left view, you understand? Why is this one is this one now from here till here, you understand? And the second one, which is this one, yeah. So I can have faint this side, but from here till here dark, which is this one. Now we want Then there is 1 2 3, isn't it? So the last one faint, which is this one, but this side of your left view solid. You understand? So which means we are drawing them simultaneously. That makes your difficult time consuming dimension to come quicker and accurate and faster. You understand? You see that it's like we neglected the left view. We did not wanted to draw it complete. Understand? So that's how you get this thing. So now let's come and complete the bottom part of your front view, this side. So we are having a dimension of 60, isn't it? So let's get that 60 from here, which is 60. 60 was this one. So have it solid now. There it is. There it is, isn't it? There it is. And then from here go up a little bit with 6 millimeter. It's what you've just got. And then you go inside with 5 millimeter. Remember that this one is not 5. It was talking about that 25 dimension up there. So there is my 5 millimeter. This is my 5 millimeter, which is from here till here. Then I am going to go up with that 6 millimeter that I have. Then from there I go inside, which is from here till there. There you go. So this side straight up. You understand? So which means this one you can just erase it just a little bit. Even here you can see it is not there most. Erase it just a little bit. So there is your 33 millimeter is there. Remember, I've marked it. So from here, without fear or favor, out of angle, use your 30 millimeter ruler. Is going to get this one is a supporter. You understand? It's this one. It's this one and this one. Take it towards your left because you are going to need it even there by your left. So there you go. You understand? So you are expected to get something like this. So now let's trace the cutting plane, or in terms of what is going to happen with this hole. What is going to happen with this hole? So if we cut this, if we follow this AA, ne? We follow this AA. You see this hole is this one. This one is at the back of is beyond, or it's beyond this supporter, because this supporter is this one. This one is that is on the other side. You understand? So this AA cutting plane is actually cutting in between of these two holes. The other one is gonna go with an off cut. The other one it's gonna remain. So the other one is before the cutting plane. The other one is after the cutting plane. So which means these hidden details, they will disappear. You are not even going to show that there is a hole being cut today. We are just going to show using what hidden detail, I mean this center. So from here till the 15 millimeter. How? Let me do it. 15 millimeter. There is a 15 millimeter. So I am going to just have a center line to show that beyond this surface where you are cutting, there is a hole at the back there. We understand. So they are long enough like this. So now you can section. You can section from here till there, it disappear. From here till there, disappear. From there till there, you don't have to draw it. From here till there, you don't have to draw it. From here till there, you don't have to draw it. This one will disappear. Then when you section here. There you go. 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 So let me come and emphasize this word. They said the draw a sectional front view on a cutting plane AA showing a buttonette assemble. So this is what is assemble. So it's assemble. We are having two items. So your hatches, they are expected to change then. There you go. Remember, we section using what? A 45 degrees a set square. This type of a ruler. And your hatches, they supposed to be equally spaced. There you go. So I'll regard this as my item 1. There you go. Like this you go. So which means from here till there has to be dark, from here till there, from here till here. Which is which one? Come back. Is which one is this one? From here till here is actually going to remain. From here till here is the one that is going to disappear. You have to be very strong, guys. From here till here it will disappear, but this one from here till here it will disappear. Again from here till here it will disappear. So which means come back on this one, have a solid here that separates the item 1 and item 2. You understand? Before you even section, because you find yourself section throughout. So there you go. There you go. So this side comes now. There you go. Like this you go. Understand? So now my hatches, they must be in an opposite direction. You understand? They will be in an opposite direction because these are two items actually. So maybe this one, remember, we don't section the supporter if it's cutted along its height. You understand? Because from here till there is the height of the supporters. So this supporter here, you are not expected to section here. You are not going to section here. You understand? But if it was cutted across like this now, across its height, and we are going to expose the sectional of it where in your top view. You understand? So now we are going to have a hatch here. There you go. Like this we go. And there. Understand? So here you don't section is this gap. It's inside. Remember this, it's a flywheel. You understand? It's a wheel of a belt. Because if it's a flat belt, if it was a groove belt, we're going to have some groove here. You understand? So there you go. There you go. There you go. Even this side now comes. There you go. Even here, remember this is the center. There you go. Like this you go. So remember, this is N2 engineering drawing. N2 engineering drawing. So now let me see. So yeah, I can, without fear or favor, I can close, since they did not spoke about the washer. If, let me see, did they spoke about the washer? Remember this question, it will be by your side, isn't it, in the examination center, whether it's the internal exam or the external exam, it will be by your side throughout the whole. So you are having time to go back, you understand, to go back to the question. So if they set to with the washer, so we, from here till here, we are not going to to close it, and then you're going to show the washer. You understand? So now let's complete our left view now. So this one correspond with what? With this. Beside that, we are even told their dimension. So it's 30 and 12. So you are going to say 30 divided by 2, which is what? Which is 30 and the 0. You put it at 15, isn't it? So now you construct it. Then up you go. Then up you go. Then the second one is 12 divided by 2 is a 6, isn't it? So 10, 12 and 0. Then you're gonna go up. Up you go. Then from there, let's see what is left now. Is these holes, and the centers of these holes is what is pipped there. So we're going to say 25 this side and 25 this side. This is it, and 50. Then you put the center. Then they are of diameter 10, so I am going to put it at 5 and mark at 10 and mark at 0. And this side you do the same thing. It's 10 and 0. And now come have the hidden details. Remember, they said to you on your left view, show the hidden detail. Okay, so now if you are now here, are you done with your left view? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, yes. 1 2 So I'm done, which means the marks of the left view, they're already in my pocket. So how about the marks of your front view? Are they already all of them there? No, not yet. Remember, they said to draw the what? The the bolt and nut being secured there. So how I will end the bolt head supposed to be shown even there by your left view, even there by your left view. So now how are we going to show that? You are going to be reminded, how do you draw a bolt and nut? A bolt and nut, M16, you take your drawing compass, you open it to 16, the 16 that they are talking about. 16 there is my 16. You understand? So I come and put it here. Is this one? Okay, it's actually this one. It's too close. 16 and there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. So now you see it's not equal. Actually, it's supposed to be equal, which means now I didn't have the same point here. So now what do I do? Now I've got this point, I've got that one, I've got this one, I've got this one. So now I come and place my drawing compass here and just give it an arc there, give it strike an arc here, and again here, strike an arc here, strike an arc here. You understand? So now, because I wanted this hexagon of mine to be not across the flat, because this one is a flat hexagon. How did I place it? I place it here, I strike an arc here, so which means let me come and strike an arc here and strike an arc here, and again strike an arc here, strike an arc there. So which means now in Boilermaker they will be like, you are dividing your circle into 12 equal parts. So there you go to this one. from here till here you go with that one. From here till here you go to this one. From here till here, there you go. 0.7 is the height of the board, isn't it? So we are getting how much? We are getting 11.2. So which means I am going to measure my 11 millimeter because it's 0.2, isn't it? This is going to be the height of our board. Understand? After getting it, have this line. So I've got a point here, and then again here, again there, and there. You understand? So now I've got a point here and here. Remember, this one is this point, and that one there it goes, isn't it? This one is that one, there it goes. This one is that one, there it goes. Once it touch here, I've got a point again there. I've got a point here again. I've got a point here again. I've got a point here again. So remember, so now join this point with this one, you join this one with that one, you further extend them up until they cross your center. There you go. Again, this side from here till here, faint, there you go. So now you take this one to that one, like this. You take this one to that one, like this. So now have your drawing compass. Now you put it here, you put it here till here. You understand? Now you are going to have an arc that's going to behave like this. You draw it dark like this. Now you place your compass here till here, an arc that's going to be like this. Hey, be accurate. An arc that's going to be like this. Now you're going to put it here till there, where these are crossing each other. You understand? So there you go. I've tear my paper. Then once it touch this one, you stop. Once it touch this one, you stop. There you go. Something of this nature. So now, without fear or favor, I can have this one solid here, and I can have this one solid here, and I can have this one solid. I can have it solid there as well. You understand? And have it solid here. So remember that this side you must put angle 60 and angle 60 this side. You understand? So there is your board head. So you must put the nut. Let's firstly calculate the what? The height of the nut. So the height of the nut is going to be 0.8 times m number, which is 16, isn't it? Further, so it's going to be 12.8. So you are going to round off this one to 13 millimeter. You understand? Because it's above 0.5. You understand? So it's going to be 13 millimeter. 11, 12, 13 is a year. So after I've gotten a 13 millimeter, so from there I am going to just construct a faint line like this. So now come and further, I've got a point there, this one there it goes, I've got a point here, this one there it goes, I've got a point here, this one goes, I've got a point right here. You understand? And then the bottom one is this one, there it is, this one I've got it here, this one I've got it there. Understand? So from there you take your 30 millimeter ruler. Now just further extend this line, just this center just a little bit. Then now join this one with this one, faint. There you go. And you join this one with this one, faint again. like this you go. You understand? Then from there, join this one with this one. There you go. And you join this one with that one. Faint, eh? There you go. Okay, so now you can take your drawing compass, come and put it here, further extend till here, come and put it here, further extend till here. You understand? Remember, this is not a pot head now, it's now a what? A nut, isn't it? Like this. Then I'll draw from here till there, dark. And even this other side, I'll do the same thing. Just a little bit. So you come and do it there again. So like this you go. In this side just a little bit. So now to close it up, where you place your compass here, further extend to this line. So there you go. Dark. And this side again, place it here till here. There you go. It's a nut, isn't it? So now you can come and have it solid here, solid here, solid there, and solid here. Everyone. So then now I can have a line from here, solid from here till there. So again, angle 60 this side, angle 60 this side. You understand? So now this is your nut, this is your bolt. So to show what this is a what to call a bolt. So, and it's being cutted, you are going to just have something of this nature, and then you section it. So your hatches, they of course they must be smaller than these ones. There you go, 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 there you go. So like this, then you are done. You are done. You are done. You are done. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi for you. See you on the next video. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next video. That was engineering drawing. And 2, where's the question paper of this one that was written on the 6th December 2023. What question? It was question 3. Question 3. You understand? So if they say print, so you can print where? You can print down here. You understand? You see? So I cannot teach you that one. Everyone knows that most. Otherwise the video, it will be an hour. So print the following. They are simply saying print this thing the way you see it, but in a printing way. So you can print it here. You understand? Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Okay.